coaching thought for the day. So this is number 7, the final tip in the series, 4 tips for becoming an instructional coach. And this last one, if you watch many of my videos, probably isn't much of a surprise because I am all the time mentioning books. And so my final tip for becoming an instructional coach is to start reading books. So start reading books about instructional coaching. Start reading books about leadership. Start reading books about specific things, strategies that would be used in a classroom. Maybe you want to become an expert on something. Maybe you want to become an expert on, discussion strategies, things like that. Read books about particular things or just coaching in general. A couple that I started with, my very first coaching books, my first one was The Art of Coaching by Elena Aguilar. And then my second suggestion is anything by Jim Knight. The first book of his that I read was Better Conversations. And so that's something that is absolutely a resource to use, whether you're a coach or just in life in general for that book, I would say. But I think that that's important to start reading those books. And then that gives you some references that you can, name drop and share some ideas during your interview as well. Coming up soon, hopefully, will be a whole series just on books that I think are fantastic for instructional coaches. So you can look forward to that.